Thank you for joining us today for this important announcement of a research investment made by the Government of Canada through the Canada Foundation for Innovation. Cutting-edge research creates strong nations and ultimately benefits us all, but cutting-edge research doesn't happen in a vacuum. It requires resources, talented and creative scientists and scholars, infrastructure and specialized research equipment. The Canada Foundation for Innovation has played a crucial role over the years in supporting researchers and research infrastructure at U of T and across the country. Its Leaders Opportunity Fund, affectionately known as LOF, from which today's generous investments come, helps us attract and retain the best and most promising researchers. 17 faculty members at U of T will benefit from today's investment. They range from medical researchers tackling cancer to psychologists studying the emotions in children. This support from the CFI will be instrumental in advancing their important work.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to announce that our government is investing $3.89 million in researchers here at U of T to provide cutting-edge equipment and facilities to be the best in the world and to stay the best in the world. Our investment is being made through the Canada Foundation for Innovation's Leaders Opportunity Fund. Through this fund, CFI is investing in 268 leading researchers and 207 projects at 42 Canadian research institutions, providing for them the infrastructure support they need to conduct their research. Here in Ontario, we are investing in 63 important new research projects worth over $14 million.
Thanks very much. Since I'm the only resident who actually get to say something, I want to thank the CFI for giving us the awards and Mr. Opitz for showing up here and presenting them to us. Thanks very much for coming. As already was pointed out, we do basic research in cell biology that has some relevant to human diseases, in particular cancer, but also blindness. And what I've decided to do in my 2 minutes here is not just dwell on technical issues in the research, but illustrates the impact of the instruments we're actually going to buy by example. So the grant I wrote funds 3 microscopes. Each of them cost $500,000. So these are very expensive instruments, allow us to look at small things in great clarity. And 2 of these 3 instruments are actually replacing existing facilities that are now very much aging and in urgent need of replacement. And one of the instruments gives us a new capacity, and we're very excited about that. So from the old instruments, one of these instruments we bought in 1999 with funds from NSERC and funds from the university. It has produced a huge amount of data that has been incorporated, has been instrumental for about 100 research publications. And in my field, to generate one research publication, you need to get about $200,000 to $300,000 in extramural funding. So we're talking about a total investment of $20 million or so, perhaps more, that has been facilitated by just using this one microscope that we're trying to replace now. Along the way, we have also trained 159, that's what our records say at the moment, 159 researchers on that one instrument. The vast majority of those are, of course, graduate students. And so this instrument was also very much, has enabled us to give these students the best training we can. So I'm hoping then that in 10 or 12 years when we meet again, and we talk about the new instruments, that I can give you similar numbers. I'm fairly confident that we can. Thank you very much.